And right here is the reason why I wanted to get him some hiking shoes. I know a lot of people frown upon pets having hiking shoes, but I mean, look. He developed a blister on both paws, and I'm definitely getting him new shoes next time. So you gotta keep it on. You gotta keep it on so that it heals, so don't touch it. Leave this alone. You hear me? Don't look away. Look at me. Leave this alone. It's to help you heal. Do you love me? Okay, I love you and I need you to take care of yourself. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye! Okay guys, so on